Right, so in this one, we're going to take a look at what happens when we have a negative exponent. So we have a negative number as the power. So powers with negative exponents, when x is any non-zero number and n is a rational number, x to the negative n is the reciprocal of x to the n. So if you remember reciprocals, right? So if you have 2, the reciprocal will be 1 over 2. Or if you have 2/3, the reciprocal will be 3 over 2. So when we have a negative exponent, we're going to take the reciprocal and just take the x to the n power. So let's take a look at an example or 2 or 3. So evaluate each power, 3 to the negative 2. So that's going to be the same as 1 over 3 squared, which is equal to 1 over 9. So now they switch it up a little bit with the example B here. We have a fraction, we have a negative fraction. So we have negative 3/4 to the negative 3 power. So the first thing we have to do is take the reciprocal. Right? So we've dealt with the negative sign on the exponent by taking the reciprocal. Now we have to apply the third power. So we get negative 4 to the third over 3 to the third. I took the negative sign, applied it to the 4. You can apply it to the 3 if you're so inclined. It won't matter at the end. Negative 4 to the third power is going to be negative 64. 3 to the third power is 27. So we have negative 64 over 27. Now, last but not least, we have a decimal 0.3 to the negative 4th power. So we can rewrite 0.3 as a decimal, or not as a decimal, it's already a decimal. We can rewrite it as a fraction, or we can just grab our calculator. Let's write it as a fraction. So we have 3 over 10 to the negative 4th power, which will be the same as 10 over 3 to the 4th power, which is the same as 10,000 over 3 to the 4th power is 81. Or you can just grab your calculator, go 0.3 to the power of negative 4, and you'll get the decimal equivalent of 10,000 divided by 81.